High-speed SD cards ensure faster data transfer, smooth 4K recording, and quicker file access. Today's video is about top 5 best high-speed SD that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SanDisk High-Speed SD. The SanDisk Extreme SD Card is an excellent choice for photographers, videographers, and content creators who need reliable speed and performance. With read speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second powered by SanDisk QuickFlow technology, it significantly reduces file transfer times, making post-production workflows faster and more efficient. Its write speeds of up to 90 megabytes per second provide dependable performance for continuous burst photography and high-resolution image capture. The card is especially well suited for recording 4K UHD video, ensuring smooth and consistent performance during demanding shoots featuring UHS Speed Class 3, U3, and Video Speed Class 30, V30 ratings. It meets the requirements for high-quality video recording and real-time data capture. When paired with a compatible SanDisk Professional Pro reader, users can unlock even greater transfer efficiency. Overall, the SanDisk Extreme SD card offers a strong combination of speed, reliability, and durability, making it a valuable storage solution for both professional creators and enthusiasts who need dependable performance for photography and 4K video production. Now our second product is Lexar High-Speed SD. The Lexar Blue microSD card delivers an impressive balance of speed, capacity, and reliability, making it an excellent storage solution for smartphones, cameras, drones, and action cameras. With UHSI technology and read speeds of up to 160 megabytes per second, it enables fast file transfers and efficient handling of full HD and 4K UHD content. Its V30 video rating ensures smooth 4K recording and dependable performance for capturing high-quality videos and photos. The large storage capacity options provide plenty of room for media files, apps, and documents, reducing the need for frequent file management. The A2 application performance rating is a standout feature, allowing apps to launch faster and run more smoothly on compatible Android devices. This results in a more responsive user experience, especially during multitasking and gaming. Durability is another strong point, with protection against water, temperature extremes, shocks, drops, X-rays, magnets, and wear. Backed by a 10-year limited warranty and lifetime access to Lexar's recovery tool, this card offers both performance and long-term peace of mind. Our third product is SanDisk High-Speed SD. The SanDisk Extreme PRO microSD card is a high-performance storage solution designed for creators, photographers, videographers, and power users. With impressive read speeds of up to 180 megabytes per second powered by SanDisk QuickFlow technology, it significantly reduces file transfer times, allowing you to move large photos and videos quickly and efficiently. Its write speeds of up to 130 megabytes per second provide excellent support for demanding tasks such as continuous burst photography and high-resolution content creation. The card is particularly well suited for recording 4K UHD video, delivering smooth and reliable performance even during extended recording sessions featuring UHS Speed Class 3, U3, and Video Speed Class 30, V30 ratings. It ensures the sustained speeds required for professional quality video capture. When paired with the SanDisk Professional Pro Reader, users can unlock maximum transfer performance for an even faster workflow. Overall, the SanDisk Extreme PRO microSD card combines speed, reliability, and excellent video recording capabilities, making it an outstanding choice for anyone who needs dependable storage for cameras, drones, action cameras, and mobile devices. Now number 4, PNY High-Speed SD. This Class 10 U3 V30 memory card offers a solid combination of speed, reliability, and durability, making it a dependable choice for photographers and videographers. With read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second, it ensures quick file transfers and smooth workflow when moving photos and videos between devices and computers. The U3 and V30 ratings make it well suited for burst mode photography and 4K Ultra HD video recording, delivering consistent performance during high data rate tasks. Whether capturing fast action moments or shooting high-resolution video, it provides stable and reliable storage support. It is widely compatible with point-and-shoot cameras, DSLR systems, and both standard and advanced HD video cameras, making it versatile for different shooting needs. This makes it a practical option for both enthusiasts and semi-professional users. In terms of durability, the card is built to withstand tough conditions, including being magnet-proof, shock-proof, temperature-proof, and waterproof. Overall, it delivers a strong balance of performance and protection for everyday creative use. And our last choice is OWC High-Speed SD. This high-performance memory card is designed for professional photographers and videographers who demand maximum speed and reliability. With ultra-fast real-world speeds of up to 300 MB per second read and 250 MB per second write, it handles intensive workloads such as high-burst RAW photography and high-bitrate 4K and 6K video recording with ease. Its sustained write speed of 90 MB per second ensures stable performance during long shooting sessions, reducing the risk of dropped frames or buffering issues. This makes it a dependable choice for advanced content creation in demanding environments. The card offers wide compatibility with DSLR and mirrorless cameras, while also remaining backward compatible with older SD devices and readers, providing excellent flexibility for different workflows. Built for durability, it is resistant to bending, shock, and X-rays, and features IP67 rated protection against dust and water, making it suitable for outdoor and rugged use. Backed by a 3-year OWC limited warranty, it delivers both professional-grade performance and long-term reliability. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.